Good morning, dear students. Now, the responsibility of occupier waste generation for handling of hazardous waste. Actually, this heading is going to give you detailing about the transportation of hazardous waste. As I told you that in all the process which has discussed in the last video, the transportation of hazardous waste is most important. Reason behind it, if it is not transported well, it will not disposed of well. So that's why if you are going to discuss about the management of hazardous waste, then the transportation of hazardous waste is a most crucial part of that topic. So now we are going to start. The four main ingredients of hazardous waste transportations are authorization of waste, packaging of waste, labeling of waste, and transportation of waste. Now the first thing is that what is authorization? The hazardous waste shall be collected, stored or be processed only in authorized facility by the SPCBs or PCC. It means that authorization of waste during its processing, treatment, packaging, transportation, collection, conversion and use and reuse of hazardous waste, there is authorized person should be allotted by the state pollution control board or pollution control board, means that central pollution control board, who is going to govern all the processes. So after that we can say that the transportation process is going to be safe for the environment. Now the second thing is that packaging. As we know that packaging is not about only the hazardous waste. For all the things, packaging is so much important. For example, if we are going to buy a packet of chips has manufactured well, processed well, and its constituents are good enough, healthy for you. But if its packaging is not done properly, then it will be leak out the air or vacuum which has created in the chips packet. So you cannot buy that chips. That is the not fault of any manufacturer, any producer, that is any transporter, any other person. That is the fault of packaging. If packaging is not well, then product is not going to buy. But at the time of the transportation of waste, packaging is so much important, because if any reason the hazardous waste leak out in the environment without treatment, then it could be dangerous. We can say that it is a life threatening component of the environment. So what are the things which we have to which we are be careful about at the time of the packaging? The container which carries the hazardous waste should withstand the handling and retain integrity for a minimum period of 6 months. मतलब वो जो कंटेनर है वो कम से कम 6 मंथ तक की, एज वी नो दैट, अगर हम किसी प्लास्टिक के कंटेनर में देखें तो पीछे लेबलिंग की होती है, मार्क लगा होता है कि कितने बार उसको रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक दैट जो कंटेनर हो उसकी इंटीग्रिटी एटलीस्ट 6 मंथ तक के लिए होनी चाहिए. इतना वो ड्यूरेबल होना चाहिए कि वो 6 मंथ तक सस्टेन कर सके. कंटेनर रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर पैकेजिंग hazardous waste enclosed in Annexure 1. During transportation, the container should not break open or defective. कंटेनर ना ही ब्रेकअप होना चाहिए और ना ही डिफेक्टिव होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द पैकेजिंग. इट शुड be packed and sealed to prevent spillage of waste during transportation. As I told you that packaging is so much important, because if the waste is not sealed out properly and spillage in the environment, then it could be harmful for the not only human, for all the other living creatures. The packaging material should not affect from the content of the waste. Packaging material should be like that. It should be non-reactive. It should not react with sun, with water or other environmental condition, because it can increase the contamination level of that waste, and the chemical reaction itself started due to the defective material of packaging. Now the second thing is what? Labeling. There are two types of labeling required. First, individual transport containers and the labeling of transport vehicle. Individual transport container means जो हर जगह का वेस्ट इंडिविजुअली इकट्ठा कर रहा है और ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल जो कि डिस्पोज ऑफ के लिए फाइनल ले जा रहा है. Now the labeling of container shall be provided with the general label as form 12 of the rules. जो labeling होनी चाहिए it should be continue according to the form 12 rule, in which we are the basic content of that rule is that ki all the waste, all the type of the waste should be decided, should be described in the front of the packaging. Like that, if when we are transporting from one place to another, we are shifting our home from one place to another, then we always mention that this item is fragile, this item for kitchen, this item for washroom. Why we are labeling that thing? Then we can careful that how much fragile item is in the box. That's why, that is the same reason when that is mentioned in form 12, if waste is collected from any biomedical, any multi-specialist hospitals, then the type of the hazardous waste should be different. If the waste is collected from any clinic, then the hazardous waste intensity is not such like that which has collected from the special hospitals. For example, and other like household waste is collected. If household waste is collected, then then we have to be careful, but not like that if the waste is collected from radioactive centers. So that is the type of labeling it should be mentioned, which has already mentioned in form 12, that the type of waste should be mentioned over the labeling. Now the container that contain hazardous waste shall be labeled with the words hazardous waste in Hindi and English also. Emergency contact number shall be prominently displayed. The information of the label must include the code number of the waste, waste type, the origin, the hazardous property, like the waste is flammable, waste is corrosive, waste is reactive. So all the hazardous property should be mentioned on the box. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the transportation of hazardous waste. The transport of hazardous waste contained shall be according with the provision of the hazardous waste management rule, that is transboundary movements 2008, and the rules made by central government under the Motor Vehicle Act and the guidelines issued from time to time. In case of transportation of hazardous waste through a state and other than the state origin or destination, the occupier should intimate the concerned state pollution control board before handing over the hazardous waste to the transporter. जैसे ही आप ट्रांसपोर्टर को अपना वेस्ट हैंडल आउट कर रहे हैं, देन इट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, देन यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट दिस टू स्टेट पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड from where this waste is going to transport, because only that place where the waste is going to disposed of, it is not dealt well, then it could create problem to the environment. The occupier shall provide the transport with relevant information according to form 11, that the transport emergency, that nobody will stop the vehicle, because as I told you that before 24 hours, within 24 hours it should be disposed of. And in the according to form 12, the waste is mentioned that transboundary movement, medium waste, medium hazardous waste and high level hazardous waste. The occupier of the hazardous waste should ensure that the waste are packed and sealed in manner good for handling and transportation. Now there are how much copies should be contained, like जो manifest हमने बनाया है, मैनिफेस्ट जो बना रहे हैं हम, वो उसकी कितनी कॉपीज़ होनी चाहिए और वो कहाँ कहाँ प्रोवाइड करनी चाहिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के टाइम, ये भी जानना ज़रूरी है. द कॉपी 1 इज़ कलर इज़ वाइट टू बी फॉरवर्ड टू द ऑक्युपायर टू द स्टेट पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड कमेटी. इसको कौन ऑक्युपाई करेगा? जो स्टेट पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड का मेंबर होगा. कॉपी 2 येलो टू बी कैरीड बाय द ऑक्युपायर आफ्टर टेकिंग सिग्नेचर और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ on it from the transporter, and the rest of the 4 copies to be carried by the transporter. ठीक, एक वाइट उसको देने के बाद चारों ये कैरी की जाएगी. टू बी रिटेन्ड बाय द ऑपरेटर, पिंक कॉपी टू बी रिटेन्ड बाय द ऑपरेटर, Fourth, orange copy to be returned to the transporter by the operator of the facility recycler after accepting waste. जब वो waste को accept करेगा recycler, then the orange copy should be provided to that person. Green copy to be returned by the operator of the facility to State Pollution Control Board committee after treatment and disposal of the waste. जब disposal हो जाएगा, then the green copy to be provided to the State Pollution Control Board member. And lastly, the blue copy to be returned by the operator of the facility to the occupier after treatment and disposal of hazardous material waste. जब आपका waste treatment हो गया, जो occupier को फिर blue copy दी जाएगी, जिससे कि हम ये ensure कर सके कि waste proper तरीके से disposed, transportation and disposal के बीच का जो एक duration है वो इन 6 copies के बीच में travel करेगा, right? Now the transportation shall submit copies of 3 to 6 manifests duly signed with the date of the operator of the facility, as I told you that. So now the responsibility of hazardous waste transporter की क्या responsibility है, we'll discuss in very short, in briefly. Vehicle used for transportation shall be accordance with the provisions under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए जो व्हीकल प्रोवाइड की जाती है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमने अपने घर से कोई एक व्हीकल उठाई एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द वेस्ट. नहीं, मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के अंदर 1988 के अंदर जो भी व्हीकल प्रोवाइड की जाती है फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वेस्ट, वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट रूल. ही ट्रांसपोर्टर शैल प्रोसेस रिक्विजिट्स कॉपी ऑफ द सर्टिफिकेट्स valid authorization obtained from the concerned SPCB or PCC transportation of waste by the waste generator and operator of facility for transportation of hazardous waste. What is the meaning of this? Transporter shall possesses requisite copy of the certificate for transportation of hazardous waste. उसकी एक कॉपी उसके पास, जब वो ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहा है तो ट्रांसपोर्टर के पास उसके पास एक कॉपी होनी चाहिए जो कि उसको ये बता सके कि ये ऑथराइजेशन के बाद ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होने जा रहा है. ट्रांसपोर्टर शुड हैव वैलिड पोल्यूशन अंडर कंट्रोल सर्टिफिकेट ड्यूरिंग द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ hazardous वेस्ट एंड शैल बी प्रॉपरली डिस्प्लेड. पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड का सर्टिफिकेट्स वो कब मिलेगा? जब उसकी व्हीकल पूरी तरीके से फुल प्रूफ्ड होगी कि वो hazardous वेस्ट को ले जा सकती है, कहीं भी लीकेज, कहीं भी सीपेज की कोई भी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, तभी उसको पीसीसी जो PUCC है वो उसको एक ऑथराइजेशन लेटर देगा कि नाउ योर व्हीकल इज़ वेल प्रूफ्ड to transport the hazardous waste. Vehicle should be fitted with the mechanical handling equipment as may be required for the safe handling and transportation of waste. That could not be handled by manually. ये सभी वैक्यूम या फिर ऐसे इक्विपमेंट्स बेस्ड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन व्हीकल्स होने चाहिए जिसमें कि मैनुअली ट्रांसपोर्ट को हैंडल ना करना पड़े. The word hazardous waste shall be displayed on the sides of the vehicle in Hindi and English language. Name of the facility operator and the transporter as the case may be shall be displayed. जो ऑपरेटर है, जो ट्रांसपोर्टर है, उसका नंबर और उसका नाम डिस्प्ले हो. जैसे अगर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी को देनी हो स्टेट पोल्यूशन या पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड को, तो वो प्रोवाइड की जा सके. कैरिंग ऑफ पैसेंजर्स इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड. दोज एसोसिएटेड विद द वेस्ट हॉलर्स shall be permitted only in the cabin. केबिन में भी किसी अपने परिचित या किसी भी पैसेंजर को आप उसमें बिठा नहीं सकते. और जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि रूल 21 के हिसाब से जो hazardous waste है वो MH या TBM यानी ट्रांसबॉन्डरी मूवमेंट, ये ट्रांसबॉडी मूवमेंट है, ये मीडियम वेस्ट है या हाई hazardous waste है, हाई लेवल ऑफ hazardous waste है. इट शुड बी मेंशन ओवर देयर. ईच व्हीकल शैल कैरी फर्स्ट एड किट, स्पिल कंट्रोल इक्विपमेंट एंड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. ये तीनों चीज़ें, फर्स्ट एड किट, स्पिल कंट्रोलर और आग को बुझाने की जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, दे ऑल शुड बी फिटेड इन योर ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल बिकॉज इन इमरजेंसी यू कैन deal your problem by itself. Hazardous waste transport vehicles shall run only at a speed specified under the Motor Vehicle Act in order to avoid any eventuality during the transportation of hazardous waste. इसकी एक डिसाइडेड स्पीड है, उससे ज़्यादा या उससे कम आप hazardous waste के ट्रांसपोर्टर जो व्हीकल है उसको नहीं चला सकते। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर ये इटसेल्फ कोई एक्सीडेंट कॉज करता है तो उस एक्सीडेंट से ज़्यादा वो जो हज़ार्डस वेस्ट है वो पूरे इन्वायरमेंट को कंटेमिनेट कर सकता है। सो आफ्टर एट द एंड ऑफ दैट नोट I'm going to stop my lecture. I think you will, when you will read it, when you will hear it, this lecture, it will be informative for you. And on the next lecture, discussion lecture, Saturday at 11:30, we will discuss about it, its query and other crucial points. Till then, goodbye.